Welcome to Nuer Tube, and today we are going to talk about these animals, names, and some items that you might want to learn. Okay, if you are new to my channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing. Okay, this is cow, young, cow, young. Namani a young. We call it cow in our language. Cow, young. This is goat, goat. Namani del, shale del, del katoknat or no language. Del, young del. These are goats. Shalga ke dit or det. You can use any of these. Det ke dit. I don't know. Man yot kalong de to take a det ko. To take a det ko. These are our goats. To take a detka. These are my goats. Det mean the same thing. In English, goats. Det and det. Okay, then move on to the next lesson. This is wooden pestle. Leg again a berm again leg. It is called wooden pestle and legame. Name a peel. Milling stone. Shale meted. Name do peel. A lot peel. It is a meals grinding machine in our language and peel. So I hope you get something here. Name a cow shale wooden motor again shale cow again shale wooden motor name a wooden pestle lalek mitugwadame name shale wooden motor shale cow katongnat name shale milling stone ke method ala grinding machine name shale leg ke wooden pestle name point the cow mokwal shale wooden motor Nial Guadame, these are goats, Titika dit, Kidit. This is del or goat. This is young or cow. Do not forget to share with others. Thank you. Bye bye.